Hello everyone. Today I brought someone special with me. Look, who is coming? Oh, do you see it? Yes, it's a white horse. Today we are going to look at some math problems together with our horse. We will start with addition. But now our little horse feels a bit lonely. It would really like to have a friend. Shall we see what happened? Oh, it is looking for another friend. And look, here comes someone else. This time it is not a white horse, it's a black horse. How many horses do we have now? Shall we count them? 1, 2. So now we have 2 horses. And instead of only counting, we can also write it as math problem. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now the 2 horses are happy, but they still feel a little bit lonely. They would love to have one more friend. Is someone else coming? Oh, look! We found another friend. How many horses do we have now? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. Now we have 1 black horse and 2 white horses. So the math problems looks like this. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 black horse plus 2 white horses equals 3 horses. But the horses still feel a little bit lonely. Maybe we can find one more friend. Oh, yes! Look! Here comes another horse. How many horses do we have now? What do you think? 1, 2 white horses and 1, 2 black horses. So now we have 4 horses all together. That means 2 plus 2 equals 4. And what happens now? Oh, one horse is getting hungry. It wants to go back to the stable. So the black horse says, "Bye bye, see you soon." And off it goes. Bye bye. Now we do not have an addition problem anymore. Now we have a subtraction problem. At the beginning, we had 4 horses. 1 horse went back to the stable. That means 4 minus 1 equals 3. Oh, now another friend is calling one of the white horses. The white horse says, "See you soon. I have to go now. We will play again later. Bye bye." And off it goes. Before we had 3 horses. 1 horse went to see its white horse friend. So 3 minus 1 equals 2. Now we have only 1 white horse and 1 black horse left. And what happens now? Do you have an idea? The black horse wants to go back to its black horse friends. So it says to its white friend, "Goodbye, see you next time. I had a lovely time with you. Have a wonderful day. See you soon." And off it goes. Now we had 2 horses. 1 horse went back to its black horse friends. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. Now we are back with our little white horse from the very beginning. So today we did 3 addition problems. And we also did 3 subtraction problems. And now all our horse friends can come back again. With our little horse friends, we can make simple math problems. That helps us understand how addition and subtraction work. Thanks so much for joining in so wonderfully today. See you soon, and let's play together again another day.